The Hype token is about to break all-time highs, up 7.5% today, outperforming the rest of the market by a lot. And the demand as well as the opportunities on Hyperliquid right now has never been higher. So today I'm going to show you the most powerful and potentially the best application on Hyperliquid that you can use to maximize your profits. And that platform is called SuperX. It's an all-in-one copy trading platform on Hyperliquid, allowing you to scan and analyze over 14,000 active traders on Hyperliquid to find the absolute best traders out there and copy them. But they also allow you to trade perpetuals directly on their platform as well as buy spot as well, making it an all-in-one platform so you don't have to swap between SuperX and the actual Hyperliquid platform, etc. So let's just cover the basics of this platform and then I'll show you how you can actually utilize it to make a lot of money. So here you have the perpetual section, similar to the actual Hyperliquid platform, where you can trade all sorts of different tokens on leverage on Hyperliquid. You then have the spot section where you can buy any sort of tokens spot. You then have the copy trading section where you can copy trade all sorts of different wallets, but you can also analyze them in detail. So you can sort them by all sorts of stuff: profit factor, trader age, 7-day PNL, 30-day PNL, the win rate, the direction bias, lost trade, etc. And you can click into the specific wallet to see in detail exactly what they are doing and all of their recent trades, as well as their current open trades and all of their open orders as well, making it super easy to find the best traders and wallets out there for you to copy. They then have the reward section and portfolio, and then the KOL leaderboard, actually showing you the different types of KOLs on Hyperliquid and all of their wallets and trades, etc. So you can see who to follow and copy and who not to follow and copy, like Andrew Tate and James Wynn. And you also have a tracking option. As you can see, just click on track and it will start to track these specific wallets or KOLs. In this case, I have tracked Growy Finance and Hellcat Boy. And if I head over back to perpetuals, you can see the tracked wallets right here, and it shows you exactly where these wallets are going long or going short or buying or selling any specific token. And if I hover over the specific wallet, you can also see exactly where they have limit orders for longs and shorts. So you can see that this Hellcat Boy has a lot of limit orders for long positions down between 104 and 107k for Bitcoin. But the main part and most powerful part is obviously their copy trading section, where you can see all of these different wallets. You can sort them by smart money, people to counter trade, scalpers, swing traders, etc. So if I go to smart money, for example, they have these wallets right here. You can see the trader age, etc. And it also gives you a minimum recommended balance that you should have for copy trading these specific wallets. And as it says, it's calculated from that trader's typical margin, usage, and leverage. So if we were to, for example, find a wallet in this smart money section, I would make sure that his last trade is today at least, because I don't want to copy anyone that isn't actively trading. I would also make sure he has a green direction bias, basically meaning if he mostly goes long or goes short, because I'm fairly bullish on the market, so I want to go mainly long, and I also think longs have more upside than shorts naturally. And then I would look for a solid win rate and average trades per day, maybe somewhere between 1 and 10. For example, this guy with 0.14 trades per day, obviously very, very low, and I won't end up making a lot of trades. And for example, this wallet with 100% win rate, 2.43 trades per day, and he's going mainly long, as you can see. But this is a vault, and this is also pretty interesting. So vaults are pooled trading accounts in the Hyperliquid ecosystem where users deposit USDC, so vault leaders can trade on their behalf, and SuperX lets you copy trade these vaults without having to lock up any funds. This is another pretty interesting wallet. He's currently in 2 positions, which is a 3x hype long and a pump long. The hype long is up nicely as well. So let's say I wanted to copy trade this guy. You literally just click on copy trade. You have your current balance and your current wallet. Then you have the copy size, Basically, do you want to copy the trader 1-to-1 proportionate to your balance? So if someone has a balance of $3,000 and you have $300, like in this case, if he entered a $1,000 long, you would copy him for $100 because that's a 1-to-1 copy ratio in proportion to your balance. But you can make this higher or lower if you want to. You can then add your own take profits and stop losses if you don't just want to copy the actual trader. You can also put a max margin per trade and a max total margin. And you have some advanced settings like if you only want to copy longs or only want to copy shorts. You have slippage, minimum trade size to copy, minimum trader balance to copy. You can whitelist certain tokens and blacklist certain tokens. Let's say if you don't want to trade Bitcoin, only altcoins, you can blacklist Bitcoin and keep the rest open, for example. And when you're happy with this, you just click on start copy trade and you are good to go. You're now copying this trader. And I can now head over to this copy trades section, showing you all the active wallets I'm currently copying. And then you have tracked wallets right here, which are the people you're currently tracking, obviously. So this is a super powerful platform, especially the fact that you can literally find and analyze over 14,000 wallets and sort them by all sorts of stuff to make sure you find the actual best traders on Hyperliquid. And it gives you the option to directly copy trade them, as well as just this all-in-one platform allowing you to trade and copy trade and analyze wallets all in one. So this is by far the best copy trading platform and overall tool I have found on Hyperliquid to really take your Hyperliquid experience and profits to the next level. So I highly recommend you to check it out. I will leave a link down below which you can use to get less fees on their platform, and it helps support the channel. I'm very curious to hear your opinion on this platform. I think it's absolutely sick. If you want me to make a challenge with this platform, for example a 7-day $1,000 copy trading challenge where I use SuperX and Hyperliquid to copy trade wallets and see how much I make or lose in 7 days, do let me know down below in the comment section. I would definitely be open to that. It would be a fun little challenge. And with that said, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see next, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.